All right, so this one says, which of the following equations could be used to help find 8 times 34? So let's do 34 times 8. Okay. Remember, we would split it up into its place value, ones and tens. So you would have 8 ones times 4 ones, and you would have 8 ones times 30, because 3 tens equals 30. So you would have to figure out what is the answer for 8 times 4 and what is the answer for 8 times 30. And then you would choose which one makes the most sense. Let's look at number 23. Number 23 says, Alex visited an amusement park on a day when about 21,000 people visited. So Monday, 21,564, Tuesday, 20,456, Wednesday, 20,913, and Thursday, 21,472. If he rounded to the nearest thousand, which day did he go? So we're looking for 21,000. So this is 21,564. If he rounded to the nearest thousand, what would that 5 tell that 1 to do? It would tell it to go up to a 2. So that would actually be 22,000. So we know it couldn't be Monday. Okay, let's look at Tuesday. 20,456. Rounding to the nearest thousand. What does that 4 tell that 0 to do? It tells it to stay the same. So that would equal 20,000, not 21,000. So it can't be Tuesday. Okay? And that's what you have to do for Wednesday and Thursday. Look at the hundreds and decide. Did it round up or did it stay the same? Remember, 5 or higher, climb the vine. 4 or lower, stay to the floor when you're rounding. Question 24. 3 classes kept track of how many laps they ran on the track this year. Chin ran 5,723 laps. Martin's class ran 5,082 laps. And Turner's class ran 6,109 laps. Garcia's class also ran laps on the track. Garcia's class ran more laps than Chin's class. So Chin's class ran 5,723 laps. Garcia's class ran more than that. So we have to find a number that's bigger than that. But they also ran fewer laps than Turner's class. Turner's class ran 6,109 laps. And remember, Garcia's class ran something that was fewer than that. Which of the following could be the number of laps ran by Garcia's class? So we have to find something that is less than 6,109, but greater than 5,723. So when we look here, 6,190, okay, that is greater than 6,109. Okay, so that cannot be an answer choice. Okay, that cannot be an answer choice. So we are finding something that is we are finding something that is greater than 5,723. So we need something greater than that, but we need something that is less than 6,109. So you're going to have to decide. Question 25. A restaurant is preparing tamales for a large party. They need to make 4,000 tamales. Okay? They have already prepared 2,278 green tamales. They have also prepared 1,345 cheese tamales. How many more? That's always subtraction. Do they need to prepare? Well, this is a 2-part problem. I first need to figure out how many they've already made. So when I add this number up, and let's do it together, 8 plus 5 is 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's how many they already have made. They need to make 4,000. So now I need to take how many they've already made, 3,623, and I need to subtract it from how many they need to make. Okay, so that's how you're going to figure out this answer. And you're finding about how many more. So you're finding a number, whatever your answer is, it's going to fall between some of these number choices. Remember how we borrow across zeros, okay? We come over here, this becomes a 3, this becomes a 10, but then I need to borrow from it again, so it becomes a 9, this becomes a 10, but I need to borrow from that for this one, so it becomes a 9, and then this becomes a 10. All right, and you subtract that way. And the last one. One number has 4,000s and 1,200s. Well, 1,200s we know that can't be right because 10 hundreds equals 1,000. So that's already going to mean that it has 5,000s, okay? And it's going to have 200s. Another number has 4,000s, 600s, and 5 tens, okay? So 4,000s, 600s, and 5 tens. Which choice correctly compares the two numbers? Okay, so we know that that's our second number. We see it there. We're looking for something that has 5,000s and 200s once we regrouped. All right, and you're going to have to figure out which one of those makes the most sense.